MS एक्सेस में क्या क्या फीचर्स हो सकता है, एडवांस और ज़्यादा और क्या फीचर्स हो सकता है, ठीक है, उसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। इन दिस पर्टिकुलर क्लास वी विल डिस्कस सेटिंग फील्ड्स एंड रिकॉर्ड्स, सेटिंग सेल्स एंड मल्टीपल सेल्स, फाइंड एंड रिप्लेस फीचर्स, sorting records and filtering data. Okay, so actually just like we need to do that field or a record, that is to make the MS Excel or to make the changes in the MS Excel. Okay, what changes you would like to make in the MS Excel? MS Excel you have seen, right? Go to start button, MS Office, click on MS Office. There will be MS Access, all features, PowerPoint presentation, Word, MS Word, okay, and like MS Excel also comes there. So these are we need to change, because we need to change our records. Okay, that is in MS Access, or that we required to make. That is why first of all we see settings and setting the fields and records. Setting the fields, how to check, how to make setting fields and records. First of all, what we will do is that we have to select the field, right? We have to select the field. Then what step we should follow to select the field? First of all, move the mouse pointer over the name of the field you want to select, and then the mouse pointer changes to what? Mouse pointer changes to this sign, and this is a bracket sign we say usually. Okay, then wherever that sign shows, you will click on that, or you exactly that file you need to select, or that fields, click on that, and then to select the multiple fields, position your mouse there and then drag it, okay, horizontally or vertically, and that pointer over the name of the field or first field. Then drag the mouse pointer until you highlight all the fields you want to select, right? That is how we select the field. Now to change our setting, we also have to select what? Records. To select the record, also we have to follow some steps, right? Make your mouse pointer over the area to the left of the record that you want to select. Then the mouse pointer will changes to this side, like this. Okay, like this signs, mouse pointer will be changes or will be changed. Then click on that particular record. After clicking, if you want to select again multiple records, place your mouse there, and then you can drag to the other files, that is horizontally or vertically, and that helps you until you that helps you to highlight the all records and the files to select. Okay, so this sign would be here. Okay, next, this is how we setting the fields or select the fields and records. Now we will move select a cell, right? In MS Excel, you must have seen its features like this. it has vertical line, and over the vertical line there are also they are cut by horizontal line, they are cut by vertical line, and each section that you could see here, these are called the cell. Okay, so here also, to select the cell or the multiple cells, following steps we need to follow. These are: move your mouse pointer over the left edge to the cell that you want to select, and then pointer changes to this side, what? Plus sign here. Those who have computer, they can see in their MS Excel, okay, this sign, and then you click the cell. Here also, if you want to select the multiple cell, then after position of your mouse, you can drag it to the vertically or to the horizontally to select the multiple cells, and by dragging, that helps you to highlight like this. Suppose I would like to select like this, then they will be highlighted like this, okay, horizontally or vertically. I can drag it this like, it will help me to highlight. That means what? These cells are selected. I can do any changes, any change I can do over here. Okay. Next is find and replace feature. Okay. Next is find and replace feature. In find and replace feature, sometimes what we need to do is that you already know the function of fill and replace command, right? So these commands are quite useful in Access when you have to find and replace the something in a large database. Okay. So find allowed you quickly to search the tables, and that is the table. Okay. Tables, queries, form, records from specified database task. So select the field to search through all the records, and then in currently field, first specially what you will do is that field is indexed or selected the database. Field is indexed or selected so the database in the form of a form. Okay, a form, like I told you, form, queries, tables, to search through the all fields in the all records. Okay, so using the find options, we can follow the steps. What steps we will follow is that these are: first, open the tables. Open the table. Open the table. Okay. Open the table which you want to use in the find option and select the file or select the field. So not file. Select the field, that is column, and records that you want to search. Okay. Records later I will discuss. Then click on the home tab. Go to home tab. On the ribbon, you click on home tab. Then click on the find option present in the find group, or you can use the shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus F. Okay, Control plus F. Then one find and dialog box will appear. The particular word or sentence that you want to change, you can type there, and by which sentence or by which word you want to replace it, you also type there. Then what? Just okay, it will ask find what you want to change. Okay, or you can look into the drop down tables. Then by which word you want to replace it, then click OK. Okay, every word or every same sentence will be that has been used over the paragraph or over the table. Okay, everything is gonna be changed. That is how the find options or replace option. Okay, next come to sorting. Sorting in MS Access, we can sorting the database or the records or fields whatever in a particular manner or particular order, that is ascending order or descending order, according to the field size, file size. Okay, or according to the alphabetically also we can write, arrange, or we can sorting, we can do this. So you can change the order of records in a table, and this helps you to find, the organize and analyze the data. So to sort the records, some steps you have to follow. These are: first one, open the table in which you want to sort records. Okay. Second one is click on the column header. Header, you know, header means top, footer means bottom. Header, okay, and header for the field that you want to sort. Then click on the home, tap on the ribbon and click on the entire of the sort option. Then there will be option whether ascendingly or descendingly you would like to sort. You may choose. According to that, records will be sorted. Okay, this is all about the sorting. Next is saying filtering data. Filtering data is what? Filtering data means what? Filtering data by selection. Data can be filtered, okay, using the various methods, but here we will discuss about the filtering data by selections. Okay, by selections. So if you would want to get only those data displayed that you desire, then you can use the filter option, and filtering data can help you to review and analyze the information in your database. So to filter data by selections, click the data for which you would like to filter options, and access will be displayed on those records that contains the exactly same data. Okay, that contains the exactly same data, and then click on the home, tap on the ribbon, then go to selection option, drop down arrow will be there to filter the records. Click on the equals, or you can click on the cells. Okay, there will be a cells button options, cells. Then click on the toggle filter after reviewing the filtering records to display all the records. Okay, and filtering, another one is, this is all about filtering the data by selections. Next is filtering data by the what? Filtering data by form. Filtering data by form enables you to filter by multiple fields, specify criteria, and specify the criteria for many fields as you like. When you filter by form, you can combine the criteria using AND or combinations of two, that is NAND or NOR. Okay, and AND combines the find records where both criteria are met, or combines the find records where at least one criteria is met. Means at least one criteria will be remaining same, right? So to filtering data by the form, click on the table. If it is not already open, click on the home tab on the ribbon, then click on advanced button. Okay, advanced option, drop down arrow presents in sort and filter group, then click on the filter by form. Okay, similarly you can follow filter by form, or you can then you can also click on the department field. That department drop down arrow will be present on the same group. Okay, so in this type you can filter the data by form. Okay, by using AND or by using OR. By using and OR, like we talk that in case of using and, both criteria must be met. Must be met. Okay. And in OR criteria, at least one. And criteria, click on the employment name, right? Suppose employment name on the database. Click on the name list arrow and select the name, whatever name. Suppose Rahul Bose is the name of the employment from the list. Then click on the toggle filter options on the MS Access. Apply the filter. Display only the records whose designation is field is equal, that is accountant, and whose name field is Rahul Bose. So only one record meets the filter criteria. Filter criteria. Okay, and using the OR, you can filter also using the OR by using OR options. That is, open the table. If it is not already open, click on the home on the ribbon, then advanced option from the sort and filter group, and then click on the filter by form. A filter by form option shows you. Then click on the list of the field and select the value that you want. Click on OR tab, then OR tab. Okay, OR tab and OR tab. Then click on OR tab. Okay. After that, a blank filter from the page opens, and repeat the step from 5 to 7 again. A filter option will be coming to apply the filter. Okay. In this way you can clear all filters, or click on clear all filters. Then filters command is not available. If there is not filter command is not available. So there are no previous uses, filter to clears. Right? Like this you can filter the data. In the next class, rest we will discuss. Okay. Until for the time, have a good day. Thank you.